It is Thursday, July 16th. July 16th is my dad's birthday. He would have been 84 today. So, anyway, I just started the trail. It's 10 o'clock. And I was going to have a full pack. I had it all loaded and everything because I didn't want to pay for a slack pack. But the owner of the place I was staying had to go past Palmerton where I'm going to be going. And he said he would drop my stuff off. So I have a slack pack again. I have less than 10. And of course, I got an uphill. So give me a minute. Let me catch my breath. I'll just take a minute and fill you in on what's going on. So I got a hold of Pollyanna. She's one of the section hikers that I had met earlier. Her name's Carol. She is like one day behind me. So the plan is, in Palmerton, I'm going to take a 0. And she's going to meet up with me tomorrow night, which is Friday night. And then we will hike for a little while together. And it really depends on how I meet up with Vito, if we continue or how that's going to work out. I don't know what her pace is, so I'll have to find out. But it may make sense just to keep hiking with her. We can actually help each other out because we'll have 2 vehicles at that point. She has a vehicle right now in Palmerton, and mine's up there at that New Jersey border. So we can hike together up to New Jersey. I can get her back to her car, and then we can figure out how to shuttle each other until Vito comes. And then if Vito, or when Vito comes, maybe it'll still work out and we'll still be able to hike together. Because she's going all the way to Massachusetts. That would be good. Except then I've got Terry, who wants to do New Hampshire. So I'd have to flip forward at some point. So I'm supposed to talk to Terry tonight, get a little bit more details, because I honestly don't know how we're doing that. It'd be nice if I could meet up with her after I get to the Massachusetts border and before getting into Vermont. I'll have to find out how solid that August 3rd date is. All right, I got some rocks to deal with and a little bit of uphill. So I'm going to Bake Oven Mountain Overlook, it looks like, I think. So I'll show you what I've got. All right, just a little bit of rocks right now. These are those kind that I hate because you can't get a rhythm. You don't know where to step. Just a pain. Yeah. I mean, I've seen worse, but at least I'm going uphill and they're not real jagged. So Bake Oven Knob is where I'm heading. Getting up these rocks. And I'm close to the top for the knob, Bake Oven Knob. A lot of people must just come up here for day hikes. I think this section seems to be a little bit more challenging than the knife's edge, and I would hate to do it when it was wet. All right, I'm off the boulders for Bake Oven Knob. While I was up there, I did meet Flash. He started early May in Georgia. He does like 25, 30 miles a day. So he'll be flashing right past me, I'm sure, at some point. Just past the turn off the bake oven shelter. Oh, there it is. Moving on. Lots of rocks this morning. 1.8, and it's already an hour and a half. So I'm going slow. So we'll just get across these rocks. Just took care of the back of my heel. That center part, I had to add a band-aid. Decided to take a break here at the power line. Nice rocks open, nice breeze. Put a band-aid on my heel, giving my feet a break. It's been rocks most of the morning. 3 something in, and it's going slow. I'm supposed to have a shuttle ride between 3 and 4. Hopefully I can get there in time. So I got a snack. I got my fruit. Tastes pretty good. So I think it's supposed to rain. It looks like it's gonna rain. It'll rain tonight, so that might mess up Carol's plan on getting into Palmerton. We'll see. State game lands. So looks like the trail goes off to the left. Notice how they put some things here to prevent people from going that way. All right, here we go. Been walking along the border of somebody's private property on this side. They must have some views of the town. I like it. Now that was a random flower. Get a little bit of a view off to my left, which must be west. Can't tell. Ah, the breeze is nice up here. Not sure what town it is. This wouldn't be so bad if your feet didn't already hurt. Wish I didn't have that blister. My toes are doing okay. Got some padding on there. Too bad they didn't give the scenic for the AT. Gonna be in the woods, I guess. Starting to go down into town. Looks like, oh, there's a big town over there. The shelter is right on the AT. It's the last shelter before you get into town. And that's the spring for the shelter. That's the bridge I gotta cross. the hostel, the backside. I'm gonna go down and check on the laundry. It's the back of the hostel. So this is the common area. And this is the bunk. This is my junk down here.